end of the fourth and final quarter. NBTC Iloilo qualifiers championship match between San Agustin and St. Robert. Score 58-46 in favor of San Agustin. There's a foul. First throw by Sardon. Basket is good. Last throw by Sardon. 2 out of 2 by Kyle Sardon. 58-48. Pulo ang abanse ka San Agustin. Ramos to Tupaz. Pass to Lingoste. Jumper. Basket by Noel Lingoste. 60-48. Rose. Rose pumasok. Lingoste to Sionyosa. No basket. That's offensive foul. Rose. Rose. There's a foul. Hermenegildo to Lingoste. Fires a 3, no good. Rebound by Sardon to Pedrita. Pedrita against Lingoste. To Ekarma. Labas kay Doronila. Back to Ekarma. To Pedrita. Ekarma for 2. 50-60. The lead is down to 10. Karma guarded by Lingoste guarded by Pedrita. Two pass to Buhat to Nono Lingoste. Lingoste. Buhat. No good. Rebound by Sardon. Pedrita against Lingoste. Doniate. Sardon. No good. Nakuha ni Lingoste. 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the fourth. Foul by Sardon. That's a foul by Tupaz. Erlans Pedrita. Pass to Ekarma. Jumper is good by Ekarma. 60-52. Tupaz against Santome. Buhat to Barabona. Lingoste to Buhat. There's a foul. First throw by Buhat. No good. Throw. No good. Rebound by Mixa Noniate to Cole Santome. Santome against Lingoste to Pedrita. by Oniate. 55-60. Timeout, San Agustin. Barabona against Sardon. Galingoste. Galingoste against Pedrita. Two pass. There's a foul. Illegal screen. 5:31 remaining in the fourth quarter. 55-60. Onyate. Pedrita. For three. Basket by Erlands. Pedrita. 57-60. From 12, the lead is down to 3. Sardon. Two pass against Santome. Galingoste. Barabona, 3. No good. Galingoste. Shot clock violation. Onyate. Pass to Pedrita. Karma. Basket by Reggie Karma. 59-60. Isa na lang ang lamang ng San Agustin. There's a foul. 11-0 run by St. Roberts. Steal by Onyate. Sardon ako ni Hermenegildo. Two pass. For 3. Basket by Axel. Two pass. The drought has ended for San Agustin. 59-63. 3 minutes 43 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Pedrita to Onyate. Short. Rebound by Barabona. Two pass against Pedrita. Rito. So two pass. Sonyosa against Karma. Traveling violation. Santome against Rito. To Pedrita. Pedrita to Sardon. Pani Onyate. Bitawan. Oh. Foul by Pedrita. Hermenegildo. Galingoste against Pedrita. Galingoste for 3. Blocked. Pedrita to Karma. Oh, good. Basket by Karma. 61-63. Last 2 minutes of the ball game. 61-63. Isa, dalawang abanse sa San Agustin. Two pass against Santome. Screened. Barabona, 3. No good. Sonyosa nabitawan. Basket by Hermenegildo. There's a foul. 1:36 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Yate to Pedrita. Pedrita against Hermenegildo. From the middle, there's a foul by Sonyosa. First throw, no good. Last throw by Onyate. Basket is good. 65-62, 3-point lead by San Agustin. Lingoste. Traveling violation. 3-point lead by San Agustin. 1:21 remaining. Pedrita. Pedrita to Oniate. Sa ilalim, no good. There's a foul by Sardon. 66-62. Last throw by Hermenegildo. No good. Rebound by Oniate. Pedrita to Oniate. No good. Tarabona for the rebound. Hermenegildo to Lingoste. Tarabona. Lingoste. Barabona. Basket by RJ Barabona. And the Sana crowd goes wild. 2 points by Barabona. 68-62. 34 seconds remaining. Hermenegildo. 20 seconds. There's a foul. First throw. Basket. Last throw. 2 for 2 by Hermenegildo. Timeout. Oniate. Pedrita. Oh, good. End of the ball game. Winner San Agustin. Score 70-62. San Agustin qualifies for the NBTZ National Championship in Manila this year. Congratulations, USA Golden Eagles.